Ariya Finergy, shaping the future of green energy in Africa.
Hello, my name is Vijay. I'm the General Manager for Nini Herburg Roses. We are currently operating with 60 hectares roses cultivation with 32 varieties specifically grown for the European retail market. We are fully complied with fair trade, which shows our commitment and ethics.
Nini Limited is 100% sustainability compliant in terms of the standards that we subscribe to. We're also FSI compliant, hence why we really move forward to being a sustainable farm.
Before partnering with Ariya Energy, the challenges we were facing is high cost of the power and sometimes, occasionally, low power supply.
They approached us asking us to provide them with solutions for their power problems, for expensive power. And we started with proposing 2 solar PV systems. We've been working together for 8 years. So it's been a long and very rewarding partnership, I think, for both companies.
The solar system at Nini Herburg Roses encompasses of 4 subsystems that total up to 582 kilowatt peak. That is also gridded.
Operationally, the transition has been seamlessly with no disruptions. Financially, the impact has been very clear. We have seen substantially decreased in our monthly energy costs.
We're not there just to put solar on the roof. We're also there to help provide stable power. We can provide battery backups. We're there to support them. And again, through the strong operations and maintenance team, we really are our clients' power partners.
One unique feature about this system is that it comprises of 4 subsystems with different builds. We have cloud mount and rooftop installation that are all integrated into one monitoring platform. We've also integrated the generators. This goes along to save the customer on fuel usage during a power outage.
Ariya Finergy has always been the team to go to and to go for. They are always reliable, they are always on time. And which other team to best work with other than Ariya Finergy?
We see a long-term future together. Ariya remains our preferred partner for our energy needs. Other businesses considering solar, I would say, start exploring it seriously. For us, it wasn't just sustainability choice, but it was a smart business decision to reduce long-term costs.
We're in Africa. We have this phenomenal sunshine. It's free. Go solar and add batteries. It's time.
Solar is the way to go. Green energy is always the way to go. And times are changing, and so should we.
The time to go for solar is now.
What are you waiting for?
Go Ariya!